Hello, welcome back to my channel, friends, family of YouTube, internet cousins. I've been brewing some compost tea here in the bathroom because if it gets on the floor it's easy to clean up. So in this bucket I've got rainwater, and in this little bag I've got worm compost from my worm composter and some alfalfa and some seaweed. I put just a little bit of green sand and azomite in there, hoping that they will infiltrate the water as well. In addition to that, I threw in some dandelion flowers and a dandelion leaf and some stinging nettle. So that's some of the little bit of green stuff you're seeing in there. And I put some comfrey in here too. I can't film this because it's just me here. So anyway, here in the shower, I've got my sprayer, and I only use this for garden food, feeding the garden. I don't use this for I don't use any chemicals anyway, but just so y'all know. So it's just, it's a little pump up sprayer, and there's the part that goes on the top. So I'm gonna decant this amazing tea and put it in the sprayer, and then I will be out there in the garden giving everybody a boost. And I'll see if I can film that as well. Thanks for joining me on this little clip, and see you in the next one. Bye for now.